beloved child, before you continue scrolling, stop for a moment and listen carefully to my voice. Because this message is not reaching you by accident. I saw your pain. I saw the tears nobody else noticed. I saw the nights where your heart felt exhausted. And today, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not alone. Even during the moments where you thought I was silent, I was still beside you. My child, I know life has been heavy lately. I know there were mornings where you woke up tired, even after sleeping. I know there were nights where anxiety filled your mind and fear kept whispering negative thoughts into your heart. I know you kept acting strong for everyone else while secretly feeling broken inside. But I need you to understand something tonight. I never abandoned you. Not once. Every tear you cried in silence, I saw it. Every prayer you whispered quietly, I heard it. Even when you felt forgotten, heaven still knew your name, my beloved child. There were moments when you asked me, Lord, why is everything taking so long? Why does my life feel so difficult? Why do I feel stuck? And tonight, I want to answer you. What felt like delay was often protection. There were people you wanted to keep in your life, but they could not go where I am taking you. There were doors you begged me to open, but behind them was more pain than peace. So I closed them, not to hurt you, but to protect your future. My child, nothing you suffered was wasted. The pain that almost broke you made you stronger. The battles you survived built endurance inside your spirit. And the nights you cried alone taught you how to depend on me. You have survived things that people around you know nothing about. And still, you kept moving forward. I am proud of you for that. My beloved child, stop being so hard on yourself. Stop replaying old mistakes in your mind. Stop believing the lie that you are not enough. Your failures do not cancel your purpose. Your past does not scare me. I still have plans for your life. Beautiful plans. Peaceful plans. Plans filled with restoration. Even now, while you are worrying about tomorrow, I am already working behind the scenes. Doors are opening that you cannot yet see. Blessings are moving towards your life. Healing is entering your heart slowly, and the confusion inside your mind will soon be replaced with peace. My child, do not let fear control you anymore. Fear keeps telling you that nothing will change. But fear is lying to you, because I am already creating a new season for your life, a season of healing, a season of peace, a season where you will smile again without pretending. You will sleep peacefully again. You will breathe without anxiety again. You will feel joy again, my beloved child. I know there were moments where you almost gave up completely. Moments where your heart felt tired of fighting. Moments where you secretly wondered if life would ever become better. But look at yourself now. You are still here, still breathing, still surviving, still moving forward. And that is because I carried you through every dark season. When your strength was gone, I became your strength. When your heart was broken, I stayed close to you. When your mind was filled with fear, I protected your spirit. My child, hear me clearly tonight. Better days are coming. This painful season will not last forever. I am restoring things you thought were lost. I am healing wounds nobody else can see. I am rebuilding your life, piece by piece. And one day, you will look back at the season and realize I was carrying you the entire time. So tonight, rest your heart, breathe deeply again, trust me again, hope again, because your breakthrough is closer than you think. If you believe God is still working in your life, type Amen below.